Of course, we can't transplant Moss Mountain Farm here to that facility, but we can bring elements of it. And I think that having some heritage poultry there, I think poultry is terribly amusing and the eggs are delicious, and it's a wonderful way to get kids in 4-H involved. This idea of having something that allows the younger and older generations to come together on, I think is really important. And as well as the vegetable gardens that we'll have there, the master gardeners are very excited about what we're doing there. So we'll have raised beds, we'll make it easy for them to grow things such as blueberries and so forth, but also lots of vegetables. Those vegetables will be able to be used, of course, in the food service for the community.